Hey everybody, Kelly here. Welcome to All Things Clermont and Central Florida. Today, I'm going to do a walkthrough of KB Homes' new, well, I call it new. They've been building out the subdivision for a little over a year, and they've just started phase 2. But it's the Reserve at Lake Ridge, right? So I'm going to show you two models, the one behind me, and then we're going to go ahead and look at this one over there. So the one behind me is a little over 1,700 feet. Okay, and the one we're going to go into in just a minute, that's a little over 2,100 feet, and they are smashed full of some amazing amenities. And guys, the one behind me, 1,700 square foot, it's roughly in the low fours. The 2,100 square foot, we're looking at about the mid fours. So let's go ahead and get into it and take a look at KB Homes Reserve at Lake Ridge. go. We toured two of their model homes, a 1,700 plus square foot and a 2,100 plus square foot. These are in the 400s. And right now, KB Homes is offering a $25,000 flex cash you can use for closing cost and things like interest rate buy down. The Ninja is also giving you, that's right, when you work with me as your buyer's agent, if you register me as your agent, you're going to get 25% of my buyer's agent commission in any home that you buy, whether you buy here, you buy something that's already built from the MLS that we pick, or any other new construction. Make sure that you write down that Kelly Wheeler is your agent, and I will give you 25% at closing. This particular home is very indicative of their building. They're an absolutely phenomenal builder. And don't forget, they've got over 9 different models. They just started phase 2 in this subdivision, and they're going to be building out here for quite a while. So look below in the description. I'll leave all kinds of information on KB Homes here in Minneola, Florida, and I'll leave you contact information as well. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed the tour, and I'll see you on the next video.